Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this beautiful and mesmerizing Millclock Nixie Tube Clock. This is version 2.0.1, and this thing is just so awesome to look at. Again, mesmerizing when you just stare at it. These are neon-filled glass tubes that display these numbers um, in these grids, and basically there are wire filaments in there. And what's cool is that when these numbers are uh, passed through with high voltage, it glows, as you can see here right now. So the what's cool about it is these numbers are arranged a certain way where it doesn't block the numbers from being seen. As you can see, it travels from front to back, starting with 0 in the back, and then it just comes forward and then it goes right back. Um, Again, something that's so different about these clocks. Unlike any other clocks, this thing kind of, again, this cool when it glows in the dark, as you can see here. Okay, so you can make some adjustments between the the different features on this thing. As you can see, when it does scramble, it also shows you your month and the date basically. Um, and these buttons are where you make your adjustments. You've got your menu button here, then you've got your minus and plus keys. And when you hit the adjustments, they glow on different with different colors depending on what category or what you're adjusting. So this crimson red, or however you want to call that, is your hour or your time adjustment. So let's just make a couple of quick adjustments here. You can reset that when you get to the seconds, and then you hit it again, and then you get to green, which is your date. So let's just make an adjustment there. Okay, and let's go back to April, and that, hit that button again. Okay, and then your year. We're in 26, and then this is supposed to be time zone. Okay, and then the lime green is supposed to be GPS, I think. It just turns off the light, I'm not sure. And then this is supposed to be brightness, I believe. And then this is your supposed to be hour. Or 24, your military time or regular hour time. Then you hit that again, and it's like not sure what color that is. And then once you're done making your adjustments, I think that was supposed to be alarm, which is the last one. But this doesn't, I don't believe it has an alarm. I've never set it. And I'm really just trying to get familiar with this as well. But anyway, once you do that and you've got all your adjustments done, these things, as you can see, light up with the LED, and then you've got your neon filled tubes to show you your time and how it blinks between the two LEDs with the seconds. So this thing is just amazing. It's just fun to look at, and it's just again, mesmerizing. But anyway, these milk clocks were, I guess, assembled in Ukraine, um, and again, I'm just gonna turn this around here, and then you've got your connection here for your 12-volt power supply, and then you could actually lift this up, and so you could see the internal parts of it. Let's take this off there, and then we can take a peek at it right there, and then you can put it back. Again, these wood bases simply just pop down, and then the sides go down like that. Yeah, so anyway, that's really what I wanted to just show you really quick, is how this unit functions and how cool it is to see this thing in action. I can probably stare at this all day long just because it's just fun to look at, and how these Nixie tubes work and travel between the numbers. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you on this Millclock Nixie tube. Nixie tube clocks have been around, and it's, for me, I haven't seen these Nixie tube clocks in a long time. So it's fun to look at when I do get it. All right. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.